Hi, I'm looking at some different things today. This is Dr. Claudia Albers, PhD. This is February 2007. This object transited the sun, and it was no planets in our solar system. It was something else. So this stuff's been in the solar system for decades. Now here's, I don't know why it's so blurry. I can't get it to come in. But here's 2011, 2012, 2013, 2014, 2015, 2016, 2017, 2018. Now they're talking about the solar minimum, but it looks like the sun's almost going dark in these years, and it's getting darker. So here's the stellar core that just sort of drifted away at the end of this video. You can almost see it better here than when I zoom in, but this track is still here, so I'm not sure what's happening with it. It seems to sort of disappear, and I almost see something here now. This is 3 frames per second. I'll zoom in at 6 frames. This one just sort of disappears. Almost seems like there's something here. So here's that stellar core, which is eating energy, but it just sort of fades away. It's done this before. It fades away. So we'll see if it comes back. Almost like something there. Anyway, let's try to see some evidence here. It's not the best, but there's no balls anywhere else. It's just here. And this is Earth Null School, and there's this tornadoes developing out here. I didn't notice it till now. Or the surface. It's 65 miles an hour, a little higher. 64, 71, 94, 100, 109. So it seems to be building. What that's going to turn into. Okay. Then I'm looking at temperatures. Let's look at air, chemicals, sulfur dioxide. I better go to the surface. Oh, okay. Well, that shows that pretty clear, doesn't it? Galapagos, bubbling away. Why he's really pumping it out? What was it, 800 yesterday? Bubbling over here in the ocean. All kinds of spots are heating up. Just everywhere in the ocean, just bubbling. There's all kinds of activity. That This one's off the coast. This one's out in the middle of nowhere. Anyway, lots of action there. And here's the North Pole. It's not quite frozen. And this side is not frozen anywhere. This half of the North Pole is still frozen, but this is working its way in, warming everything up. And why is that a problem? Because a lot of this permafrost has methane, and when it melts, and all that methane comes into the air, and it's much more of a greenhouse gas than carbon dioxide. And here is your methane. At 850, I can't remember, HPA, and it's not working. Anyway, there's an awful lot of methane bubbling up. That red is a lot of methane. There's no industry up there. It's bubbling out of the ocean, permafrost. And if these don't go into the hundreds, I guess we don't have to worry too much using everybody's Geiger counters. Okay, that's it.